Unfortunately, this has become a very familiar sight as the world is getting engulfed in plastic pollution. Hey friends, I know what you must be wondering, what is such a big deal about it? Well, you won't believe that plastic pollution has become one of the most earthy and environmental issues we are facing presently. So, in today's episode, let us address this critical problem and learn what is plastic pollution, its causes, the effects on us, and what can we do to deal with it. So, what is plastic pollution? Plastic pollution is the accumulation of plastic objects and particles like plastic bottle bags and microbeads in the Earth's environment that adversely affect humans and animals. I know what you guys are thinking, but how does it affect the lives of humans and animals? Well, imagine a sea turtle swims through water in search of food and find a white blob near the surface. Yummy! It thinks a jellyfish, but little does the innocent turtle know that the white blob isn't a jellyfish, but a plastic bag that could make it and many other crushed animals very sick. Yes, millions of animals are killed by plastic every year, from birds to fish to other aquatic organisms. Not only that, plastic has been found in the stomach of many land-based animals, including elephants, tigers, zebras, camels, cattle, and many other large mammals. In some cases, causing death, and these factors somehow impact on human lives. Yes, scientists have found microplastic in 140 marine species, and 1/3 of them ends up on our plate. Also, there have been found a majority of world's tap water. But the critical question is, who's responsible for all this plastic mess around us? Well, it's none other than humans themselves. But before we jump to a conclusion, we have to understand that not all plastic is terrible as they are handy. Yes, plastic revolutionized medicine with life-saving devices, made space travel possible, jet-saving fuel and pollution, saving lives from car airbags, helmets, equipment for clean drinking water. And for most of us, plastic has become integral in our daily lifestyle. But the problem is that we use and throw away more plastics like grocery bags, food wrapper straws, and drinking bottles and packaging around toys. This kind of plastic that's used only once before being thrown away is called single-use plastic, and it makes up more than 40% of the all plastic trash. And this short-lived use of millions of tons of plastic is simply quite unsustainable and dangerous for our planet. As a whole now comes the most crucial question: how can we save our Earth and innocent animals? Well, the solution starts with you and only you. First, start to recycle as much as you can and don't leave plastic on such places like beaches and gardens, as it often blows to creeks and rivers, eventually making its way to the ocean. Also, don't fill your birthday goodie bag with plastic toys. Instead, give them homemade treats or coupons for your local bakery. Thirdly, stop using plastic bags and use reusable containers or cloth sacks. These small steps will help to clean our Earth. Did you know? Since 1950s, 8.3 billion tons of plastic has been used worldwide. Also, 2 million of plastic bags are used around the world every 1 minute. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Until next time, it's me, Professor Mayan, zooming out. Never mind. Hey kids, didn't you like my video? Didn't you? Before you go, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell so you won't miss out any of my latest videos. Bye.